Assalamu alaikum. Hope that all of you fine. Next, this video is about part 2 of code 22.6.1. This lecture is class 6 of subject science. Now today our topic is air as a mixture. Firstly we discuss about the compound. In first part we discuss about the compound. Compound is a mixture of two or more things when they combined in a fixed ratio. They form a compound. We have to study about the uses of the compound such as water. Water is a compound. It is used for drinking purpose. Sodium chloride, it is known as table salt. It is also a compound. It is also used as a table salt in our homes. Carbon dioxide is used for breathing and it is also a compound. Now we have to discuss about air as a mixture of gases. We know that our air contains large amount of the gases, but major part of our air contain nitrogen. In our air, nitrogen is 78%. In oxygen in our air is 21%. Carbon dioxide level is 0.03 to 0.04. Other gases are also present, but these are the main gases. And carbon dioxide is also used for separating carbon dioxide is also used by plant to make their food during the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process by which plants prepare their food in the presence of the sunlight, and use it for their growth. We learn about mixture. Mixture is a combination of two or more things, and mixture can be separated. So mixture can be separated. For separation of the mixture, different techniques are used such as filtration, sublimation, distillation and the paper chromatography. First of all, separating technique of the mixture is the filtration. Filtration is used for the separation of insoluble particles. Insoluble mean particles which do not dissolve. Such as we make tea. Tea leaves can be separated by strainer. This process can be considered as filtration. Next, sublimation. Sublimation word से आपको idea और solid convert into vapor. When solid convert into vapors, this process is known as sublimation, and we can separate mixture by this. If we have a solid mixture, we have to heat it or either cool it. It convert into vapors. These vapors are used for the mixture separating techniques. Distillation is a process. Distillation is the major process. In these two different liquids having different states and different boiling points are mixed together and pass through a condenser. After they convert into a steam, they pass into a condenser. In condenser, they get cooled and convert into liquid water and convert into liquid things. This is known as distillation process for the separation of the mixture. Last process is paper chromatography. Paper chromatography is the major process. Paper chromatography. Chromatography mean separating and techniques. Graphy mean techniques. Separating techniques is known as paper chromatography. In this, you have to mix different ink colors, just like blue, red, or yellow, orange. You mix together and place a drop in a paper. Firstly, chromatogram is used, but you can perform this activity on simple paper by mixing different inks and putting a spot in the middle of the paper. Inks travel, and this ink travel due to different separation technique, different values due to different distribution values. So paper chromatography is used for the separation techniques, and it is the most major and the most common process. You have to perform this activity on your home. Now, if you are going into lab, in lab different chemicals are present, so you have to care about yourself. You have to wash your hands and don't taste or touch anything you do not know about that. Such as acids are present in laboratory. If you drop acid in water, they cause a dangerous. So you know about things what you use in the laboratory. Either they are harmful or helpful. If you don't know about that thing is useful or not useful, you don't use that thing. यहाँ तक आपका चैप्टर 5 कंप्लीट हो जाता है. थैंक यू. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़.